You've just started learning the piano and you come across a huge problem. It's incredibly hard to play with two hands. Throughout your life, many of your activities require only just one hand at a time, such as shaking hands or writing or brushing your teeth. But when you're confronted with learning how to play the piano, suddenly this need to coordinate your hands in such a specific manner bewilders you. You want to play pieces like or the worst part about the learning stage of piano is that our non-dominant hand, for most of us it's our left hand, is expected to perform at the level of our primary dominant hand, our right hand. If you're ever in doubt about your ability to learn and play the piano, I want to assure you in this video that you absolutely can learn how to play the piano. Let me give you a little nugget here. If you have ever typed on a computer or a laptop keyboard, in a way you have practiced a similar physical action to playing the piano. In my opinion, there are two big differences with playing the piano compared to typing on a keyboard. And number one is that when playing on the piano, you have to play in beat, which just means to play to a steady pulse. And number two is that when playing the piano, you have to strike keys together in many moments. When you're typing on a keyboard, you're usually striking one letter at a time. In this beginner video, I want to help you with your hand coordination for piano playing. We're going to do some very easy, what I call mirror exercises. Let's jump to my other keyboard. For all the exercises in level 1, I need both of your thumbs to be on C's. So for your left thumb, let's put that on the middle C here. Okay, so this is the C that's roughly in the middle of the keyboard. And then for your right hand, let's put that on the C above over here. So this is our starting point, and we're just going to put number 2, 3, 4, and 5 on each of the next notes. Let's start with level 1.1. This is called climbing the hill. Okay, so as you see, we always start with the thumb. We're going to go 1, 2, 1, and then we're going to venture a little bit higher to number 3, come back, go to 4 now, and then to 5. So I sort of see this exercise as we're sort of climbing a hill that's higher and higher. Now let's try to play this exercise together. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's now move on to 1.2. This is called scuba diving, and let's see if you can figure out why it's called scuba diving. Okay, so as you can see in this exercise, it's the same as the first one. However, this time you're starting at the top and you're sort of journeying down. Go back, go a little bit deeper now. And then 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make it all the way to 1. And that concludes it. So remember guys, these are all mirror exercises. You just need to play with the same fingers on both hands. Let's try play along now together. 1, 2, ready, go. Congrats, you're doing really well so far. Let's move on to level 1.3. This is called jumps. So as you can see, this one we're starting on 5. We're going to jump to 1. Going to go to 4. Always jump back to 1. And then 3. 2, 1. And then we'll repeat the whole thing. 5, jump to 1, go to 4, jump to 1, and then 3, jump to 1, 2, jump to 1. Each of these notes are 2 counts. Let's try to play it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So just then when I was counting 1, 2, 1, 2, just to let you know, I wasn't talking about finger numbers, I was counting the beat of the music. Let's move on now to level 1.4. This is called Seesaw. So as you can see, this exercise is just like the previous one. However, this time I want you to do a bit of a sort of seesaw effect. 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. And each block of pattern, we're going to repeat that 4 times. So it goes like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 2, 3, 4 times. Let's try to now play it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Change. 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 Repeat. Great work. Let's now move on to level 1.5. This is Seesaw, but with a fat man. Let's see what that sounds like. So this level is the same as the previous level, however this time instead of doing equal notes, dim dum dim dum dim dum, you're now going to do unequal notes. So we're going to have long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. Let's try to play that along together. 1, 2, ready, go. Congrats on finishing them. If you found these exercises helpful, I have 30 plus of these in my new course, the Hand Coordination Bootcamp. I'm going to continually add exercises to it to help beginners like you to play the piano with fluency and control. If you're a beginner piano player and you currently find playing with 2 hands a huge roadblock, this is the perfect course for you. It's a step-by-step, progressive, and in my opinion, a revolutionary course because there's nothing like this out there that takes you from feeling super awkward and fumbling with 2 hands to mastering and controlling and coordinating your 2 hands to play with fluency and ease so that you can finally learn and play the songs that you love. I've taught these exercises to my live students for many years, and I finally compiled them into a course just for you. Make sure you check out the course link in the description box or the comments. Let me know also in the comments how you went with these exercises. I'm very interested to find out. Catch you in the next piano tutorial.